Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending hundreds, even thousands of dollars on parts and diagnostics you don't need. Make sure you stay until the end. We will explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe, this generation here from year 2006 to year 2014. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the front power outlet fuse is located, which fuse you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, and why it's important to always test fuses and relays, all that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. If you have a Chevy Tahoe or Suburban, practically they're built on the same platform. We'll be making a video about every single fuse relay in that SUV. Why? Because let's say you're down the road, you need to find where the fuse for fuel injectors, fuel pump, ignition coils is located. That way you can fix your SUV and be back on the road. We will have that information. You'll just spend a minute or two watching the video, fix it, and it will take care of that problem. Now, every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to do engines, transmissions, mechanical, body work, and we have more than 12,000 free repairs on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. In addition guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time, we will put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So for the front power outlet guys, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe what we need to check. You have two different fuses in two different fuse boxes. The first one that we need to check is on the driver's side. Open the door. On the side of the dash you will have one cover, okay, that you see right here. You will need to just go ahead guys, okay, that cover will need to come out, remove it. Behind it you'll find a fuse box with a layout that looks just like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So now why it's super important guys to test fuses and relays, because often you may think you have a good fuse, right? But it could be guys a bad fuse. Sometimes it's really hard to tell, it's hard to see. You have different kinds of fuses, and each one of those guys, let's say you think it's a good fuse but it's actually bad, you may end up spending time, money on parts and repairs that you don't need. So always test fuses. It takes only a few seconds. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses and how to test relays as well. Relays are easy to test, that way you can eliminate that possibility for something that's not necessary guys. So check out the links, will be in the description of the video below. So here guys, we need to check actually one fuse here, and then we need to go to a different fuse box. Fuse numbers here are a little confusing. They go like that: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, 14, 15, 16. That 20 amp fuse is the first one that you need to check. Then you need to pop the hood open on your Chevy Tahoe, and there on the right side you have a cover. Remove that cover. Behind it you will find a fuse box layout that looks like this one. This is the front of the Chevy Tahoe, windshield side, driver side, passenger side. If we zoom in that section here, okay, fuse number 53, it's that 20 amp fuse. That's the one that you need to check as well. If you have any more questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.